to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratnapriya. As I already covered the flow builder, as I'm learning flow builder from the Trailhead course, so I covered the two models from the flow builder. Then we wanted to create a add screen in the flow builder. So because of that, we have to be learn how to build a simple flow. So that we covered in the last previous lecture, and that we created a simple contact info things with the flow builder for the first screen. So now in that model only, as model collect contact info, and this was the first we created. If you haven't want to watch this one and directly jump on this, that will be easy to understand as well. And this was a simple thing that we have to how we can create and handle the operations in the flow builder. So let's move to the next task. So what they are saying for checking the matching the contact in your info. As I already we have created a new contact, so there we gave a condition for the first name should be not be the equal of the first name. It's not with the contact having the first name, whatever we are keeping like ABCD, it should not be the first name of any contact, existing contact last name. So that we wanted to check. If it is there, then we have to check this one. Okay, so now for that one we have to create another screen. So let's keep the plus button. Okay, now what they're saying, they are saying for the get record. So let's move to the get record. Okay, so we have the option for the data to we find the Salesforce record and store into the field to be used later in the flow. Like if we have some standard object, a standard object has some field, and that field have some recorded. Record means the field values and then other stuffs. That whole combined we can call a Salesforce record. So that we wanted to find it and store in the field values to use it later in the flow. So that we wanted to be use a get record. So okay, so now we have to go into the get record, and then we have to keep the label should be the find. Okay, let's keep the find. Let's close another all the stuffs which I opened in the Chrome. Okay, so now we have to keep the same with the API name. Okay, that already there. Okay, now we have to go into the contact. As we are checking the contact, so object must be the contact, that is for so obvious. Okay, so now we have to keep the contact, and then we have to go to the next down. Now we have to keep all the conditions should be met. Okay, so that we have to be keep all the conditions should be met, and then we have to check the first name should be okay. I should keep first name equals to first name. Okay, so that how we can write input. So we have to write like not equal to contact name. It should be not equal, right? If it is equal, then it doesn't have any option to be like no need of using that thing. So we have to be not equal to the contact of last name. So now we have to keep this one exactly the same with that last name. That only we kept in the field of that also, right? In the input of the contact info. So now we have to keep into this add button and then add it. Okay, any other things they don't want to be say, and then we don't have to be keep it. Okay, now we that is the only challenge we have to follow in the checking the contact in your org. So let's keep, and then definitely it will come with 100 points. We covered up very easily, and we have to save it obviously. I hope it will directly fetch it. So I am keeping a short note for the flow builder, as I'm just informing last videos. I am keep repeating myself that we have that. So because we haven't saved it, I think so, that's why I think so. Now it will come up very easily. Okay, so I will keep that link in the description as well for the short note. If you want it, read out, and it's most important topic to be learned flow builder. So yeah, the 100 points get it. So now I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to give your feedback on my YouTube channel. Bye bye.